Do manual data entry and outdated processes slow your IT team down? Are costly errors and inefficiencies holding your business back? Well, C&A Technology's Orchestration Bootcamp is here for you to transform how your team works. This bootcamp provides expert guidance for mastering JDE orchestrations and streamlining your business processes. Over 5 days during our bootcamp, we'll guide your team through an in-depth agenda. On day 1, you'll learn the foundations of Orchestrator and technical requirements. Day 2, we'll strategize use cases for data validation, process automation, and system integrations. Day 3 and 4, it gets hands-on as you participate in building, testing, and refining your orchestrations. Finally, on day 5, we'll wrap it all up with actionable next steps to apply what you've learned. CAT's expert instructors will teach you how to configure AIS instances and scale them as your business grows. You'll monitor orchestrations in real time to identify and resolve issues instantly. You'll learn how to simplify complex tasks with tools like Orchestration Studio. Build, test, and integrate orchestrations tailored to your company's unique needs. And by the end of our bootcamp, your team will spend less time on repetitive manual tasks, you'll eliminate costly errors, gain confidence in automating processes, and deliver faster, more accurate results to your business. So, are you ready to elevate your operations and empower your team? Come on, sign up for the C&A Technology Orchestration Bootcamp today. Contact CAT to reserve your spot now.